Looking for a fun and stylish way to show off your love for farm animals? The awesome Cool Rooster Sunglasses Farm Animal Lover t-shirt is the perfect choice for those who appreciate a bit of humor, attitude, and rural charm. This t-shirt is designed for farm enthusiasts, chicken keepers, and anyone who loves a bold and quirky look. With a unique design featuring a confident rooster rocking a pair of sunglasses, this tee adds personality to any casual outfit. Made from 100% high-quality cotton, this shirt is incredibly soft, breathable, and comfortable to wear all day long. Whether you're tending to your chickens, heading to a farmer's market, or just relaxing at home, this t-shirt ensures maximum comfort while making a bold fashion statement. Awesome Cool Rooster Sunglasses Farm Animal Lover t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Show off your style with our awesome Cool Rooster Sunglasses t-shirt for farm animal lovers. Awesome Cool Rooster Sunglasses Farm Animal Lover sweatshirt. Awesome Cool Rooster Sunglasses Farm Animal Lover tank top. Awesome Cool Rooster Sunglasses Farm Animal Lover ladies tee. Awesome Cool Rooster Sunglasses Farm Animal Lover hoodie. The Awesome Cool Rooster Sunglasses Farm Animal Lover t-shirt fabric is carefully selected to provide durability while maintaining a lightweight feel, so you can enjoy both style and practicality. Plus, it is proudly made in the United States, ensuring top-notch quality and craftsmanship. The design of this captures the essence of farm life with a modern twist. Roosters are known for their strong and confident nature, and this design amplifies that energy with a stylish edge. The addition of sunglasses gives the rooster a cool, laid-back attitude, making it a perfect shirt for anyone who loves a bit of humor in their wardrobe. Whether you're a farmer, a homesteader, or simply someone who enjoys unique animal-themed apparel, this tee is sure to become a favorite. Other product